Hello, welcome to our first video in MERN CRUD tutorial with REDUX. So in this course, we are going to learn how to implement MERN with REDUX using a CRUD application. So first things first, who am I? My name is Paul Awiti, and I'm an online instructor at Udemy and also Code Excellent Education. So let's just go to the thing that matters a lot in this course. So what does MERN stand for? So these are the technologies that includes in MERN, and we are going to use them to build a full application of a CRUD with CRUD operations. So first we have MongoDB, that is the M. So the M stands for MongoDB. MongoDB is a document-based open source database. It's a NoSQL database. So that means it does not include tables. So we have Express. Express, this is the web framework for Nodejs, which we'll be using for routing. And we also have React.js. This is the JavaScript framework for front-end development. So this is what we'll be using to create our front-end UI. Then we have the Node.js. So the N stands for Node.js. So Node.js, this is a JavaScript runtime that enables JavaScript to run on a server. So these four applications, so these four technologies are what we are going to use throughout this course. And we're also going to implement other technologies in this course, and that include REDUX. So we are going to use MERN with REDUX. So REDUX, this is a predictable state container for JavaScript apps. We will be using it together with React.js in our front-end development. And REDUX, in short, it's just a way of managing the state in our application. So let's just take a look on how MERN works. So we have this diagram that shows how different technologies within the MERN combine forces so that we can have a full stack application. So we have the MongoDB right here. Then we'll be using the Mongoose package so that it can connect us with Express Web Framework. So we'll be using this Mongoose to communicate with the database. Then we have right here the Express, which is linking us to the React.js, the front end side. So that's what it takes. So the React.js simply deals with the UI. Then we have the Node.js, which deals with the back end. Then the MongoDB is what we'll be using to create our database. So with this, I think we can proceed to the next video tutorial, whereby we will be setting up the environment ready to begin building a full stack application using MERN technology. Thank you.